my mom had shared with the family that she'd had some problems with diagnostics at a dealership, and she'd come over to A1 and really loved the service, and she had told me that time after time after time. Well, I had a situation that I needed to have the car worked on, so I was by her house, and she said, why don't you just run it up there and see? And I did. And every time I've ever been in there, and I've been in there a few times over the years, they've just taken really good care of me.
I felt very confident in the integrity and the honesty that A1 provides, and it's not intimidating for a woman to go in there, which is very big in my world.
A1 Custom Car Care is the place I always go, and I'm really happy to be able to do that.
I feel very confident in recommending you to others.
Your complete car care solution. A1 Custom Car Care. A1 Custom Car Care.